Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to import videos and photos in InShot. If you want to edit your videos or photos professionally, the first step is importing them into InShot. InShot makes this extremely easy and intuitive. You can import videos from your camera roll or the other albums, photos for editing, collages or adding overlays, clip from multiple sources to merge into one project. And once your media is important, you can trim, crop and add music, text, filters and more to create polished content ready for social media or personal use. So first you need to open to the InShot. On the home screen, tap on the video to import video clips or the photo to import images. You can also tap collage to combine multiple photos into one frame. And after tapping video or the photo, InShot opens to it. After tapping photos or videos, InShot opens your camera roll. And over here you can tap on any of the photos or the video. And after that you can select on the bottom right icon. So after confirming the import, you can start editing with your media imported, add music, effects and transition, apply filters and adjustment. You can either add your audio by simply selecting to this audio, canvas, sticker, text. And for photos should be JPEG or PNG for the best quality. With this step you can easily import any video or photo into InShot and start creating professional looking edits immediately. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.